Right, greetings from Jim AG6IF. They got the old one off. The new one's on right in the center there. Haven't soldered it yet, but here's the old one, the old relay. This is part 3, by the way. Let's see if I can show you that. There he is. See the burn marks in that. So that's the relay that turns the fuel pump on. Now I just need to solder this, solder those 5 pads, and we're ready to put this thing back together. Alrighty, the old one's is soldered back on now. So I'm gonna get you a look at this. These 5 pads right there that are circled in black Sharpie. Alright. Looks like it came out pretty good. This has a part number of G8QN. That must be the cross reference. So, all right, time to assemble this thing back into its box and see how we're doing. All right, the board's back in the back in its subcarrier here. All these clips are on, facing this way, facing inward. These guys. Next thing we do is we place the top over here, flip it over and replace the bottom. We have to reinsert the lug, the power lug, right in here. So far so good. All right, that's back in the top section. This is the back side. Back side of this box, it can only go in one way. These guys line up over here. And this comes apart. It's got clips, as you can see here. They go down in the in these guys. Pretty easy to get it apart. The lug, the power lug, drops down in here, and there's a couple retainers that hold it in place. So there we go. We're going back together. All right. Basically, you place it on so these pins are coming through in the right order there, and then snap it back together. All right. All right, we're back together. Now, place each of these items, these fuses and relays, back in their respective slots here. And we should be ready to go back into the vehicle. All right, just working my way nice and slow through here. So, and that one, third socket up, like so, and third socket up over here, like so, one at a time. All right, still working at it. Getting a few of these in here. We'll see how OCD I am if they're all in backwards and sideways. Alrighty. Okay, making progress. Alright, got the side done. Left side's done. Here's what left. A few across the top and some relays. So far, so good. Alright, now we're doing the relays. Alright, looks good, and we have 5 more relays, the big ones. One, 2, 3, 4, and this one here. All right. No parts left over. That's a good thing. Now, to put her in, see how it looks.